This episode explores how artificial intelligence helps urban wildlife conservation protect species and ecosystems amid rapid city growth. Case studies reveal AI-powered camera traps distinguishing animals from humans, predicting migration corridors, and guiding safe urban crossings. Interviews with ecologists show how edge devices process data locally, reducing latency and protecting sensitive locations from exposure. Experts discuss challenges including data bias, privacy concerns, and the need for transparent models that communities can trust. The video closes with practical tips for hobbyists and city planners to collaborate with researchers using open data.